A significant improvement to Tesla's well-liked little electric vehicle, the 2025 Model 3 offers new technologies, a revised look, better aerodynamics, and more performance. Here is a thorough synopsis of exterior and design. The exterior look of the 2025 Model 3 is where the most obvious alterations can be seen. With sleek LED headlights and a redesigned front bumper to improve aerodynamics, it has a more aggressive and contemporary front fascia. By lowering the car's drag coefficient, these design changes improve efficiency and range. The sleeker design and sharper lines maintain Tesla's distinctively simple yet eye-catching style. Comfort and the interior. Significant improvements are made to the interior, which features minimalistic and opulent details. The improved acoustic insulation inside is a significant improvement. Innovations in technology. In order to keep the 2025 Model 3 at the forefront of technology, Tesla's constant software updates are essential. Important characteristics include: Tesla has improved its autonomous driving technologies with autopilot and full self-driving SSED capabilities. Advanced sensors and cameras in the 2025 Model 3 enable semi-autonomous driving, including lane shifting, braking, and parking, especially on highways and in cities. Software upgrades. Tesla's capacity to provide over-the-air software upgrades, which gradually add new features and enhance performance, is one of its main advantages. Performance and battery. The 2025 Model 3 takes advantage of the battery technology that Tesla is still improving. With a range of up to 600 kilometers on a single charge, the enhanced range battery option is perfect for long-distance driving. There are various variations of the Model 3 available. The most economical kind is the rude rear-wheel drive kind, which is ideal for daily use. Long-range model. This version, which has two motors and all-wheel drive, balances performance with range, making it perfect for anyone who wishes to go farther. Performance model. This variant is geared toward speed aficionados and can reach 100 kilometers per hour in 3.1 seconds. Infrastructure for charging. The vast network of Tesla superchargers is compatible with the 2025 Tesla Model 3. The car can increase its range by about 250 kilometers in 15 minutes with this fast charging system. It is also compatible with other public charging stations and supports home charging. Security. With high safety ratings from agencies like IIHS and Euro NCAP, the Tesla Model 3 remains one of the safest vehicles in its class. The 2025 Model 3 is a formidable competitor in the electric vehicle industry since it marks a substantial advancement in design, technology, and performance. External style. The 2025 Tesla Model 3's exterior has been completely redesigned to showcase the company's dedication to both efficiency and style. Compared to earlier models, this one has a sleeker design and numerous enhancements to its overall look and aerodynamics. Front fascia. To give the automobile a more futuristic appearance, the front bumper has been simplified and extraneous elements removed. The new headlights have a more aggressive and contemporary look since they are slimmer and sharper. Comfort and interior design. With a number of significant changes, the 2025 Model 3 prioritizes luxury, simplicity, and usefulness. High-end materials, such as better upholstery and finishes, are used throughout the inside. More environmentally friendly materials are now available as trim alternatives. Soundproofing. Improved cabin sound insulation is one of the main improvements. Compared to earlier iterations, Tesla's acoustic performance has improved, lowering road noise and making the cabin significantly quieter. Given that EVs don't have the same engine noise as conventional cars and may expose drivers to additional outside noise, this is particularly crucial.